And what's up, my people? It's your boy Dre from Flipping Phones, man. Back again with another video. Hey, but before I start, I gotta say, big shout out to the subscribers, man. I just launched my video channel, man, yesterday. And I think I got about 30 subscribers, 30 something subscribers as I'm filming this morning. So I want to say thank you, man. Thank you. I appreciate every last one of y'all, man, for checking in the channel. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? We're trying to take this channel to the moon, baby. But check this out, man. I just picked this up. 07 Escalade. Got it from IAA. As you can see, it needs some front end work. No airbags deployed, which is great. But I got to get some work done to this front end, man. So what I did is I went ahead and ordered a new front bumper, right? Because this is pretty much done. Also had to get a headlight, and these things right here, man, expensive, man. They got some aftermarket ones, but you know what? I'm gonna keep it OEM on this thing, man. I'm gonna keep it original, and I'm gonna just go ahead and get another light, man. Actually, I'm probably gonna pick it up today, later on today. But it's a 07 Escalade, man. It's the regular body, not the ESV. So a little better on gas. 100 and I want to say 80ish, 180 on the miles. I don't know if this thing was up north a little bit, because I do see a little bit of Rust-Oleum. Got a little bit of rust right there, man, but I might be able to get that out of there, man. I might be able to do something with it. But as we do a walk around real quick, you know what I'm saying? Let me take this off, man. They be talking about, oh, don't put your dealer tag no more on there. Don't let them see this. Don't let them see all of that. Me, I don't care. I ain't got nothing to hide, but I'm going to just do what's politically correct. All right, so here we go. Back straight. I like the way they black this out, man. I like that. I also ordered one of these, the cover, the hitch cover, because I just don't like that at all. But yeah, man, they got the 3-row seats. You know, I like these body style of Escalades, man. You know, comment below if you like these, if you like this style, the one before, the current one now. Actually, I think this one is a couple body styles back now, because they got the newer ones out now. But hey, man, I'm feeling that these things sell like crazy. I do got my family in here, man. My wife and my little daughter is in here, so I'm gonna try to get them off camera. But give you a peek of the interior, man. Need a good cleaning, you know. Gotta get it to my people, get the lights off the dash, get this thing serviced up. Does have the, hold on, let me get in. Does have the navigation, sunroof, you know, has all of that stuff. So Bluetooth and all of that, heated seats, you know, front and rear AC controls. Like I say, 3rd-row seat. Came with the bigger aftermarket key fob, you know. But we do got some lights on the dash I'm gonna have to address, so you know, I'm gonna be working on this one this week, and you know, I'll keep you informed as we go, man, as we go. Let's sit right here for now. Let's go check out the back. Actually, yeah, let's check out the back. Automatic door hitch, of course. It's the old lighting, get that one situated. So yeah, man, we got the 3rd-row seats here, 2 captain chairs, and of course the 2 front seats. All right, Escalade. But this is it, man. I'm getting ready to turn this thing into a beautiful Escalade again. These are usually chrome on the Escalade, man. I think they painted it or replaced them because they went all black. They blacked this one out. I ain't really digging the rims, man. Might have to repaint those things. And I don't know what this is on this tire. I don't know if that's some paint or I don't know. But I did get it for a great price, man. We should be able to make some great money on this. if my wife don't want to keep it, man. That's the problem that I have, man. Usually when I grab something, man, she sees it and she's like, oh, I like that and this and that. I'll be like, look, baby, we're trying to make money, you know what I'm saying? But she want to keep this, keep that. But you know, it is what it is, man. I might keep this one and that, and I have a Lexus that I just bought. I'm gonna do a video on that. She wanted a convertible, so I'll probably keep that. But after that, that's it. Hey, sometimes you gotta tell them no. And that's what I'm gonna tell her, no. But nah, man, this is where we at. You know, 07 Escalade. I'm gonna go ahead and get my thumbnail shot in and get to work on this thing this week. Should have it ready hopefully by the end of the week, man. I'm gonna take it to my body guy in the morning and we gonna get it in, man. But again, it's your boy Dre, flipping phones, baby. We flipping phones. This one ain't a phone, but I flip phones. I flip them all, baby. But phones is what I like the most, you feel me? Hey, so remember, comment, like, share, subscribe, and holla at your boy, man. Let me know what y'all think about this Escalade. Comment below. Chill. We out of here.